Hi, Ralph here. For cryptography, what I wanted to do is check letter frequency between science articles and, of course, tabloid articles and see how close they came, as well as matching to our standard frequency table. And this is what I came up with. First, this code is really dirty, but it's got some cool tricks in it. First, we're going to add all of our files together, in this case, the science articles, and then that read split method, pay attention to that. Now what we're going to do is we are going to add or iterate through all these letters, put them in a dictionary, actually then convert them to a tuple, and basically sort by the value. And what we have here is the letter frequency. See, the science articles right there and the tabloid articles, pretty similar in the letter frequency itself. Again, all this code we posted online, so you can go through on your own. You only need part of this code. It's really dirty. It should be in a function, but I hope you enjoy it. Again, I said tuple. I know it's tuple, but tuple just sounds cuter. Ralph signing off. Catch you guys in a bit. See you then. Bye.